What's up, my Kos? Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEyo. My name is Inyoung. So today let's talk about the difference between these two Korean words, 벌써 and 이미. These two words both mean the same thing in English, which is already. But if you look up the word 벌써 in Korean dictionary, it's gonna come up as 예상보다 빠르게. That means faster than what you expected. So you can imagine, already can be used with expression of surprise. On the other hand, 이미 is also another word for already. If you look up this word in Korean dictionary, it's gonna come up as 다 끝났거나 지난 일을 이를 때 쓰는 말. That means the word is used for the events in the past that had already happened, which implies that you cannot reverse the action. Now that we understand the definition of these two words, let's get into some examples. 나 이만 갈게. 벌써 가? Are you going already? But please note that when you're using 벌써, in English you may also imply some surprise by adding already at the end of the sentence. If you say, are you already going? Versus, are you going already? You can see the different nuance there, right? So in this example, are you going already? 벌써 가? 벌써 already with surprise. Sooner than I thought. 가 is 가다 verb to go in casual speech. 벌써 가? Are you going already? 네가 벌써 그립지만 그리워하지 않으려 해. I miss you already, but I try not to miss you. 네가 you with subject particle 벌써 already with surprise. 그립다 is to be missed. 지만 but 그리워하다 is the verb to miss. 지않 this is verb root plus 지않, which is negation. 려하다, this means try to. So in this case is 그리워하지 않으려 해, try not to miss you. 네가 벌써 그립지만 그리워하지 않으려 해. I miss you already, but I try not to miss you. 벌써 다 끝나버린 내 맘은 My heart that's all over already. 벌써 already sooner than I thought. 다 all. 끝나버린 this is 끝나버리다 to be over. 내 my 맘은 mind or you can interpret it as heart with subject particle. 벌써 끝나버린 내 맘은 My heart that's all over already. 내가 비밀을 알려줄게. 다 이미 알고 있어. 다 이미 알고 있어. I know it all already. 다 all 이미 already. 알고 있어. 알다 is to know. 고 있다 progressive tense. Sometimes I interpret this as ing. I am knowing. But in English it makes more sense to say just know in this case. 다 이미 알고 있어. I know it all already. So this means 이미 I cannot reverse it back. It already happened. My knowledge is already in here. It's already beautiful. 이미 already. 아름다운데. This is from a verb 아름답다, to be beautiful. And that this is open conversation or it could be but. 이미 아름다운데. It's already beautiful. You cannot reverse this. 건너편에 너와 난 이미 눈을 맞춰. 건너편에 This means on the other side or across. 너와 난 You and I who's sitting across from each other. 이미 already. 눈을 This is eyes with object particle. 맞춰 is from a verb 맞추다 to match. But when you see with 눈을 맞추다 means have an eye contact. 건너편에 너와 난 이미 눈을 맞춰. You and I on the other side already make eye contact. So here is for your 숙제. Number 1. I already finished my homework. Number 2. I'm getting hungry already. If you find this video useful and want to support this channel, make sure to smash the like and share this video with your friends and families. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye. 언니 말 잘 들어. 좋아요 누르고 구독해. 알았지?